Hello everyone and welcome to my beauty channel. Today I would like to show you how to get flawless foundation using the beauty sponge from Real Techniques. Before we start, we need to wet the beauty sponge, so let's do that quickly. Under running water, use light presses. The sponge will swell and absorb water. Now squeeze. This primer gives me a poreless looking skin and a baby soft feel. I squeeze a small amount of foundation on my skin and then gently start dabbing. I can highly recommend this foundation from Catrice to anyone. It's a lightweight full cover foundation that's buildable and it's available in 24 shades. Be careful not to use too much foundation on your skin, rather work in layers. It's so easy to contour. I use this Pro Conceal from Girl. I apply this to my cheekbones, forehead, and my nose. And now you can dab, dab, dab until the harsh lines disappear. You all know that this is my favorite concealer from Essence. I use a small amount underneath my eyes, on my chin, and the bridge of my nose, and blend using this pointy side. You can use your favorite lipstick as a cream blusher and use a sponge to blend. Now let's add a little glow, a lippy from Essence, and setting spray. Ta-da! I hope you liked my video. Please remember to subscribe and click on the notification bell. Until next time, mwah!